Yo, 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 yo. I'm trying to not act a fool. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Could not connect to Twitter. They tripping. They are tripping. Yeah, alright. I don't need all that. I don't know why my picture on here like this looking all mean. I'm looking like I'm about to kill somebody. I'm about to kill somebody. Not for real, but you know, I'm just gonna put that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Oh, I'm everywhere right now.
You see yourself.
Oh no, I'm not. That's definitely not it. Y'all might hear some lady, some person start talking. Oh, here we go. All right. Hopefully this works. Mute myself. Right. Hopefully this works. Whew. All right. So I'm like kind of doing two things at once. Uh, Streaming to both YouTube and Twitch at the same time. So there's going to be some craziness. Oh, well, thank you. All right. Hopefully my laptop don't just take a shit on me while I do. All right. So currently, I am trying to code this little thing right here, and I currently got some music playing. Let's see if this works. Oh, it takes a little bit. I have to um, fix that, but we're about to code this to have like a little player pop up at the bottom. So I have to like build all this with my knowledge. So I have this code here. That's not it. It's right here. So I haven't systemized just yet. I'll do so when all that. I don't even know if I should have activity monitor running. Like this is probably gonna be eating up my half my CPU. No, I shouldn't. Alright. Oh, well, I do have 13%, 12% CPU, right? That's fine. Alright, so we're gonna first create the bottom part of this player thing that shows the bottom, because there's gonna be a bunch of songs, and nobody wanna go through and be hitting all that shit. So I'm trying to find where is it at. I wonder if, I mean, I'm thinking nobody's never done it at the top. Because I'm not about to like I'm just thinking, like, is there an easier way to, like, just set this in here? But then also I want people to be able to fast forward and rewind. Like, how can I do this without redoing the same thing over? So I could actually put like the this thing, like the little track thing down here. So like, let me see. So I'm using Howler JS. Oh man, my laptop is taking a shit. Alright. It's like, why are you doing this to me? Alright. What do I have available? If I have like time left or something, that would be dope. Let me see. That's fade, rate, seek, loop, state, plane. Get the duration of the audio source in seconds. Will return 0 until the load. So, and I'm using some jQuery because I don't feel like dealing with all that learning shit right now. So I'm just trying to get this done. So unload it, playing pause. So I do want to do like get duration. So if I could get the duration of that, huh? So I'm trying to see. So I take the duration and the durations in seconds. I take the seconds and I divide it by like 100, and I'll get like 100%. So wherever the seconds is, it will. Let me see if I could do a howler. Or let me see. I know they got like a music player. I want to see how they do it. Live radio, music player. It better not be no crazy ass player. Like, it's gonna be something normal. Uh, I really don't want to hear how. Oh, it ain't bad. But there we go. So they do have like a thing, and I wonder if I could trackable. Mm. Alright. inside of an iframe. Progress. So it's going to be called progress. And it's probably like adding width based on the seconds, and it changes into a percent. So, uh, demo code. Player. I think this is just the sounds here. Alright. Player. And I know it's going to be in like vanilla JS. On click, player, play a song in the playlist. Var data is self is this function player. So when you hit play, there's the wave bar, and there should be like a progress. On stop, on seek, if sound state equals loaded, else keep pause. So if this, see, I could do all this. I could probably rewrite this in vanilla because this is in jQuery. I could rewrite this in vanilla because this is all the functions for it. So it was pause, and then skip, and then the volume, the seek, the step, the playlist, the volume, format, and you set up the player. And the player could be, what if they already got 3 songs? Bind our player controls, player play. So add it dot play, dot pause, dot skip. So they set all the buttons, which the buttons are probably set somewhere up here. Var elements, get L for each window element, document get element by ID. L, so for each function elm, which it takes one of these, for it calls it elm, and then it looks for the ID of these. So, which there should be like a progress. And oh, here we go, progress. So now I have to look for the progress. Var move. Let me see, progress. Start of the request animation frame. Okay, so this is where it initializes a new if data how. That's how the if, and then uploads a new one. Self step present in 3 files. Step. I just want to know, where is this duration? If I find that, and I don't think, I mean, this might be it. I think this is like just building the map. camera display on screen. Okay, that's not it. Duration. Display the duration. On play. If sound playing. Okay. I like that. Uh, so I think I already have this. Yeah. What is request animation frame? So it's 4 times. If sound is playing, request animation frame. Mm. So before we set interval, instead request animation frame. Yeah. All right. Let me go back to, I think it's this. They had a better one. I don't want to use that shit. Here we go. They still take me here. Can I just play this frame? I'm like, why are y'all got this in iframe? Get me out of this iframe. Get me out of here. Here we go. Much better. All right. So it's gonna, and then when you tap in here, which it doesn't do it unless you're playing. So it only does it when you're playing. Maybe I should rewrite this and man, it looks pretty clean. It's not bad. It's not bad. I I just haven't create like um, functions for each thing. There's player prototype, there's player, this playlist, set up the playlist for each function, blah blah blah. And then where's the thing where it like brings everything together? See, and then binary player controls. So you have play, pause, skip, whatever, and then set up the event listers to enable tracking of the volume slider. And then move, set up the waveform animations, which I don't need, and update the position of the slider. If sound, that's the volume. So self, self I think is this. It's like this. Oh wait, no, self is this. So, and then step, there we go. On click. So this is the on click thing. No, actually, this is define. So if, else, and then on click. All right. Let's see if this works. It should just give me like, it just folds everything. All right. So I'm just gonna write this all as is. Even though now I'm mixing like, it's just a mismatch. Let me be. All right. I'm just use self. So this is how I learn. I just take fucking. I'm just gonna try to translate everything over to jQuery as much as possible. Oh, what is happening? Oh, my PlayStation turned off. Ooh, excuse me. All right, back to this. All right, see if we can get this working. So, self this, and then the var sound, get the how we want to manipulate. So I've already kind of set up the ID, which I should put outside of this because I want to get the ID of everything. Like, which I already used the E. So before I even do anything, I want to like start moving everything outside, which, yeah. So I want to move this out here, and the on click. So I want to move this out here. So we got a bunch of bars, which I'm gonna have to clean up. So this should still be working right now. No. Alright, so that doesn't work. So let's see what happens. So let's put that back and see if that works. Nothing. So I'm gonna put that back here because I think it's getting everything within here. Alright. Let me just hide this. Let's see if that's okay. Alright. So it is this, which might be in the wrong section. Still doesn't work. Huh. Why are you doing this? And it is like doing like a, because I mean, it's not really, I'm really not like doing anything weird. Let me see if I put it in front. I don't want to rewrite everything in vanilla right now. I'm just trying to get it working. Right. So it's basically, yeah. So I'm probably gonna have to do like write it in. So I have to like kind of translate all this into jQuery for now. It's either translate all this into jQuery or rewrite the whole thing in vanilla. What's faster? That's what I want to do because I don't feel like doing all this. So we already got determine our seat position. I think that could work. So if we grab the that, I'm just gonna kind of like throw everything in here and see what happens. All right, and then just to check to see if this works, I'm gonna do that. Sorry if all these errors come up. I'm blocking myself from analytics, so I don't post analytics while working on this locally. Uh, so they have unload and load. Where's seek at? Seek, get the seek and then ID. That works. So, cause I want that to pull up. Mm. Let me see how to do that. No. What if I put it out here? Well, all this would have been working. Cause I have console logs everywhere. Let me see, I'm just gonna clear all that. Huh. Where else I have console logs at? I used to have this thing playing and pause. I guess that don't work no more. You know what? I wish I could just like cut all that off because that just makes my console all nasty. You know, because I have full story, I have segment. I'm just gonna just remind myself to like. I don't have no damn whatchamacallit on here. I'm a horrible person. Very horrible person. Notice I have Google Analytics. Right. Just for a while. I just want to like not have these source map. Okay, that's fine. I don't care about that. I just want to get the Google stuff, the analytics stuff out of the way. So technically, that's not working either. So var seek, but I'm just gonna move on. So there's a timer here. Where is that? Okay, so he's declaring it up top, which is probably this clock right here. Timer. Yeah, so it's updating that, which I don't need right now. I don't need that. I want the progress one. Progress. Here we go. So let me build it first, and then we're gonna add it in. But I'm gonna copy this. Sorry if I'm going back and forth. I'm just like kind of looking back and forth. So this is like mixing two things. E is this. This is box chart. So, but P is this of P, which is the box player. So box player is that, which is click of box list. I want box list. So box list, because that's the one I want. I want to update just that one. So I'll have to like make another one. Speed, define, box list. Alright. And then for our progress would be L. L dot L, which is the box list. So we have to make that. So right now it's at the bottom. And I want to make two divs. I want to put it like right here, right at the bottom. Would it be at the bottom? Yeah, I guess. I have to remove that. I mean, that's more for like featured stuff. So I want it like at the bottom. So I have these rows. Row. So I have that main row. This is the main row. So I'm going to do call box progress. And then I'm going to do one call box progress enter. So that just shows like, you know, you know, that just shows like the bar going. So let me see, how am I gonna do this? So I think that should just, you know, then also I gotta think mobile. So let me see, because like, how are you gonna scrub on mobile? You know, so that's mobile, and they will have to scrub it. They'll have to scrub the. Should I be at the bottom? But then I might as well just build a whole little thing. I mean, I could, because then I could update the name. I could take. But then it's just a lot of stuff on the screen. I don't like a lot of shit on the screen. I'm like designing this in my head, so don't worry about me. So first, let me build it and see what happens. I'm just going to drop it in at the bottom, and hopefully this works. So we have box player, box ETA, box progress. So height, let me do like 400 with 100% background. Color coal. I'm gonna see what that does. Ooh, I don't have a color code. I'm thinking about my other stuff. Um, what do I have for black? Oh, I have this system. That's fine. I'm gonna do 900. All right, so this is what we have so far, which is this, which is fine. Oh my God, it's so big. Pause. So box list is this. Box tracks is this. And that's box list. So I want box list. No. I'm gonna have to use absolute positioning. Or actually, because there's only 6. Let me see. Left, -6 rem. Let me see if that works. Actually, I'll just make this easier. No, because I want it, so I have to do position relative. Okay, so that works. It's at 100%, but we lost like, so right will probably be like 12 rem, -12. Nope, this doesn't do it. Absolute, which means box list would need a position relative. Box list, and then so now because of that, so this would need to be 0. Shit, fucking might as well. Alright, so I'm just gonna do that. I'm not about to deal with all that. And then of course right 0 as well. So now I have my little box. It's still reloading all my updates. Like it's trying to catch up. Technically, oh yeah, I ain't do position absolute. All right, sweet. So now, because when it's playing, so I'm going to, because I have a plane and pause, but I'm gonna keep it in the top part for now, just because I want to see how far I could go. Like, okay, so like a finger, I'm putting my finger on the screen, and I'm going to measure how much space I'm gonna need based on the thing, my big ass finger. So if you want to see what I'm doing, yeah, that's the beauty of this. I could like switch cameras and show you what's going on. So I'm doing this. And because of that, like I'm going to change the height of that so it will match up to like the size of my finger. So you could just do this, and I'm gonna set like the height based off like my, and it's probably like 40 pixels or some shit like that. You know, I don't know. We will see. All right, let's try 40 pixels and see what happens. We can't see nothing, but actually we can't see shit. All right, so let's just drop it to 80 for now. I'm just gonna do 80. Um, 80 pixels. So that should give me that space. And then, oh, no, that'll be like up and down would be good for like volume. That'll be cool. Um, Now I'm trying to figure out how would this come in at? So I guess bottom would be 0. So now it's gonna slide up. Should slide up. Yeah. All right. So now it's at the bottom. But for Pox list, I want to add some padding bottom of 80 pixels. So let's just see if that works. All right. So now we pushed it down, but see it does it for both. When I'm going for when I do the just plain, then it will just do it for one. So let's just add like 10 pixels just so we can have some space. All right. So the only problem is hoping that this don't um, get confusing because they are kind of like next to each other, um, but we'll figure that out. All right, so now we have box progress enter, and then we're gonna have height 100%. That's a known. Width 100%. I'm like, what do I smell? It's burning. Is my computer burning? No. Okay. Color red. Probably don't even have a color red. Nope, because it's not even taking my height. Like, what are you talking about, bruh? See, this type of bullshit I be talking about. It's not even picking up my damn styles. Oh, that's why, because I spelled progress wrong. Alright. Oh, that happens. Alright, there we go. Ugh. Let me use the yellow instead. Let me see what yellow will do. Look at me, the designer in me wants to fucking change the fonts and colors before I give you a configure. Ooh. Alright. So we have that. I'm going to start it at 0. Alright. Alright. So now we have a progress bar. For now, it's just going to look like a big dumbass progress bar. We'll figure out all that other stuff later. Now we got to get it to work. Alright. So progress is L dot box list. So dot find box progress enter. See, I'm writing this all weird, but you know what? I'm just trying to get this done. That's all I'm putting in your head. I'm trying to get this done. We'll figure it out later. But now we have the progress style with. Uh, let's see what. Uh, let's see what this do. Wait a minute. First sound. I'm not even. I don't even have a sound in here, so I'll have to do like holler key again. Duration. Holler ID. Duration. All right. I doubt this works, but if it does, we should see like this start changing colors because I affected it to progress from the seek of that. Hell no, because it would have already start feeling. It would have gave me like the whatchamacallit. Right. I forgot how to do CSS and jQuery. Ooh. Man, this makes me feel like I'm an old man who can't switch over to vanilla. This. Yeah, I remember. And then you gotta do the function because so you do with, right? And then function index. I doubt this is gonna work, but And then I just move everything. Actually, I will want just these two. Wait, where is this? One. That's two. Oh, so I'm gonna need all of this. I'm gonna put ID just to think that might work. The first thing I'll see is that style pop up. Nope. Oh, unexpected token 157. With ID. What are they talking about? Mm. Um, no, because it should be. Oh, wait. Oh, so it does go outside of it. So it's playing, but still nothing. So var seek. So I'm at seek position. So something is not getting pulled. Haulers. ID seek 0. I wonder because it's not even pulling some stuff. Play, playing. I'm gonna rewrite all this. There's gonna be like a whole rewrite. Oh, I found that I had opened. Let me see if this works first. I want to get a console. Let me see. Console log duration. I want to see if it's going to print the duration out for me. Mm-mm. I'm gonna put it down here. No. Yes. All right. So at least printed something. But it returned 0. I wonder if I could store. Right? So we're about to just do this to see if this kind of we're gonna like play around and see. I think I need to store these things so it knows that um, there's something there. See, now my shit's coming back up. All right. Oh no. Remote school. I don't know why. Shut up. So that works. So now we gotta move it up. Move it up. So now so now we have this. So let's see if it's moved up. Oh, so it's not registered. It's not registering. So and that's probably because I'm just gonna be moving stuff around. This goes underneath that because I want to grab. want to see how high I could traverse this up. All right. Sweet. Great. So let's see if we could traverse this up one more time. Let's just cross fingers. If it plays, we could traverse it up. Nope. So because I'm gonna call this playlist equals, this kind of makes things much more easier. Sometimes that might work. All right, so that was the reason why I separated these, because I wanted that. So on fine, we want this stuff to be triggered. Can't wait to rewrite this. That'll be my next project, y'all. Rewriting this in vanilla JavaScript. So, um, if y'all ever want to learn vanilla JavaScript, this is how I'm gonna learn it. It's gonna be because I need to simplify my trying to cuss. What am I doing? Trying to simplify my life and makes the file size smaller for we're not using jQuery all like that. Bro, this shit ain't working still. So we're gonna undo until we get what destroyed everything. We'll do back to that and see what happens. So if it's still not working, then we're good. All right, good. So everything went in here on the fine. We could still do the var playlist. I think this works. That's the only other place I had it. Okay, so that works. All right. Wait a minute. Can I replay? What are you talking about? Cannot replay of undefined. 137. Sound play. So that does not work. Unless I bring it into here. I don't think. Actually, it would have to go in here because that's when it declares the ID. All right, that works. So now we can store that within. This is, I don't know. This will. If that don't work, then I might have to like restate it. Yep. Does not know what play means. So I have to restore it in here, which I think there's an easier way of doing it. Oh, 192. So it doesn't even know. But let me do, if I do sound, play. I wonder if that's the reason. Because that has to be there. Oh no. $190. No. No. Let me at least put that back in here. If not, we're going to have to undo all those changes. And it's back to square one of whatever I was trying to do. Yep. Back to square one. So undo all that shit. Just undo it all. And I think the only thing I changed was this one.
You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting.
think it has to be just progress. Because how if they're triggering their hmm. Here goes all the on clicks. So all the on clicks are right here. So this is a lot. So I wonder what's the quickest way I could do this. So I should be able to like, because I think, all right, I'm gonna take that out. Because if they're initializing the player, let's just get all the elements. Var player, display the track, set the playlist display, prototype, play a song. So var data, if data, show playlist index. So the playlist index should be down here. Yeah. And pass it to the playlist. So that's all the sounds, which I'm kind of doing it different. I'm going one by. I could pass it through the like a JSON file or something. Like I could grab all the sounds and put them in, but right now I want to just so so this is like player trigger. I'm gonna do play and applause trigger, right? Hopefully that didn't do anything. All right. And then this one would be just to get this done. What do you call that shit? Progress trigger. So If this works, this should be like progress on click. Ooh, I don't know if I wrote that right. On click. On dot on, and then it's parentheses. Click, and then function. Right? And then we'll paste this stuff in. So you'll hit the progress. So when you click on the progress, I might var seek dot duration. I wonder if I could put var duration equals, and then I just grab that, paste it right there. So I'm grabbing the ID of what's playing and console log duration. And then I'm gonna change this to duration. So seek divided by duration times 100. So if we're like 3 minutes in, it takes the where we at. Like if it's a 2-minute song divided by 3 minutes times 100, we do the math on that. So let's say it's in seconds too. So let's say it's a 30-second song divided by 60 seconds. So you're halfway in between the song times 100, which would be 50%. All right, that works. So we should be able to see the duration in the seek position. I wonder if I could just put those in. That's probably gonna break the world. So some of my other stuff stopped working. Cause remember when it was playing, it'll give me like the holler ID play, and then oh wait, probably 'cause I took the console log out. Oh wait, track pause, track playing. I'm gonna do one called track started. Just so I can see how long it takes to load up. Okay. Track pause, track playing. So this part's not working. So we're gonna do that. So it should just say seek duration. So currently it's not saying anything. So we still have some work to do. So we have progress. It's L. For L is box list. So this is box list. Box list. Yeah. Box list. Wait, track. If E is this, P is box player, on click E, track. Track is box list. Oh, so we already have box list. So it's basically E. It's basically E. All right. All right. So we got seek duration going. So we know that it's going to the right thing. But we're still not getting our width. So at least we have that. And we know, and let's make sure it's not. Let's do a test. We have to test to make sure that this is not going to interfere on the other ones. Like, even though they're not going to show up, I just don't want it happening. All right. So there should be 2 of these now. No, I'm not about to do this twice or add all those. These are all going to be templated. So if something pops up here, then it's targeting the wrong one. Uncaught type error. Cannot read property seek of undefined. Sure, okay. Alright, so let's make this real. Plain. That's not it. So I have to rewrite those, or at least start erasing shit. So right now it's plain. Okay, and then if it's none, so we have to go to box progress and put display none. Just for now, I'll add some cool animations. I just want to like get it out the way. Oh, and then also we're gonna have to change box list. Sorry. I ain't like these names I've came up with at all. Nope, actually we already set that. That's already set. So box plain, we'll just add that. See what happens. All right, so all this should do is, yep. Boom. All right. So now you won't be able to see that because There won't be no error because you don't see it. And it only targets that. And then, yep. All right. So next, we gotta make this work. All right, so we got progress. So that's working. Pretty sure I might have to like grab the ID or grab the song that's playing. If that's what's happening. It's not like the song, and I might have to rewrite this anyway because I'll have to like to retell it to say, hey, this is the current song. Alright. I wonder if I could do this. Because I have this. My last ditch effort. We get this working. Console logs help a lot because it helps. It tells you what you fucking up on. So it's grabbing the track and oh yes, all right. So it's grabbing the track. Box progress enter. You know what? I'm just gonna do key. Never know. You never know. If I get this work, I'm done, and I'm going to make a sandwich. So we still ain't even got that spelling wrong this time. So I needed to update each time. Let me see what happens. So if I click on this, I'm just going to do a test. So we got to see if this is actually working. So it should just give it a width of 100%. All right. So why does that do it? So it's saying to request I think I just need to make this. Like, fuck it. Okay, we already got 2 on clicks. Alright, let's see if this works outside of it. I mean, inside of it. If not, then we're gonna do outside of it. Nope. Oh. A function name. Function statements require a function name. So how far is this into itself? We have the var player and then player prototype, play a song, we have the play function, because we have progress, right? I mean, there's a way to write this without being too, that's on click. This is just pausing. So maybe, because the problem is not getting the current, but I could do it on play. So on initialize, So the first one is to play on play, and we're going to grab request animation, animation frame, and I'm going to put this in here. I'm just going to see if this works. So step to update the playback. So we got seek. Might have to do that again. For our seek, progress style, if the sound is still playing, continue stepping. So basically, it just calls itself into itself. And it just keeps replaying over, 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 over. So I wonder if you could do a function within a function. Ah, here we go. So it's just basically this. Get hi, say hi, bye, first name, last name, helper function. Get full name. Full name returns first name. Hello, get full name. So I might need to use this. see if this works. So first, without even doing too much, let me see if this helps me. All right. So far, so good. And you know what? We might have to do this separate thing because I'm already where I'm at. Where am I at? I'm already at 1 hour, 48 minutes. All right. So I'll end this at 2 hours. So learning more and more. So currently they have this step. So and they always declare, which I already have of this. So that's already declared. And then sound with self playlist, self index. So this playlist, this index, how. So we probably want to get the sound that we want to get. So obviously this works everywhere, I think. Some odd reason this works all over the place. So and then oh man, don't tell me I deleted it. Uh, oh no. Yeah, I deleted it. So I have to find it in my undos. All right, there we go. Let me just post this right here. That's not gonna work. What do you mean, 131? Missing after argument list. I think that would just do it. Just basically just run this over and over. So that should go away. And then what else they had? So we grabbing that, and then we have duration, and then we're adding this here. wonder if this will work. Yeah, I deleted all that. Luckily, it's right here. And I think I have that function. And then this is where I would need to do the if. Think that there's a plane. Yeah. Checks if the sound is playing. How much time I got left? 154, so I have 6 minutes. Is it working? Nope. Oh, we just set up the fucking I didn't even like do like triggering of the function. Oh. What happened? Paused. I knew I was gonna need this. So, but let's see what happens if I click. So nothing happens. Great. So how they did it, so that's basically the step. So they have a seek function. Looks like we're going to be kind of rewriting it and rewriting it, rewriting it and writing it at the same time. I already have everything. Actually, I could just now kind of push this stuff in here. So this is like now global. All right. Progress is seek, right? Are we seeking? And then if play, and then they had something about the step on play. So on play, so I have my player stuff already set in here. Or just do step. Cannot read property of seek of undefined. 126. Let me see if I can just do this. This is going to be kind of nasty, but it might make it work. I don't know. Hey, no errors. Duration is not defined. 133. Fuck. Not pulling it. So I'll have to do this for each one. So we'll have that. So we'll have it run each time. So let's see if that works. Sound is not defined. Oh, we got some new stuff now. So we're getting like all types of stuff now. This came from 130. $132. Alright. We already got duration. What? So I seek right about duration, and then we got that, and then that. Alright, let's see if that works. Please work. Oh man, I just been wanting you to work. Perimeter 1 is not of type function. 214 request animation frame on window. Seek is not a function. So first, let's fix this bottom issue, which is at 146. Where they said seek is not a function. That's why. Let's keep it there. Alright, let's see what happens. So, what time is it? It's 2 hours and 5 minutes, so I gotta go. I think we're getting close. Now we gotta figure out this request animation frame or window. Perimeter 1 is not of type function at 214, which is right here. So player you know what? Let's see what happens. It might lead us down a better road. So cannot read property bind of undefined. So, and that's because we're using like jQuery. So this is not what I want. I want to basically rerun it over and over. So let me see what JavaScript is. funk. Let me try step. Fine. This is what you do. You just type shit and it might work. So far, nope, because it's still not doing what I want. Oh. Let's check this. Seek. So before we do that, see how many times step comes in. Step, 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 step. If Howler ID is plain, then I want step E find step. This steps into itself, right? All right, let's keep going. So step doesn't pop back up anymore. On play, step. Actually, it does. On play, it's step. And then step will play with itself. Pause. So and I don't think this works because skip, volume, step. Okay, well, let's see what happens. If all those fails, Google it. I don't know what happened to this, but my request animation frame. So let's see if this works. Cannot read property of bind of property bind of undefined. Ugh. Add HTML div element anonymous. Cannot read property bind of undefined. Let me see if this works. Because E is globally defined. At least anything here. Hey. So I just want to see what will it lead to. Let me see what happens. So it's basically this. I have to not use E and actually hardcore use this. No. Step. Function. Step. Let me copy this because I think it might be up here too. All right. Please, Lord. Just. Oh, man. All right. So it's not that either. So far, it's working. Oh, actually, the sounds are not playing now. Oh, wait, yeah, there we go. I'm about to say. I want a good one. Yeah, I gotta go. Give me a second. So maybe because it's there. play a different song. Oh! So far, no errors. But we still ain't getting no track changes. Might as well. Hey, I might have to just rewrite this so it could be cleaner. Because it's not like let me see what happens if
You got me waiting for the right time. You got me
on pause.
waiting for forever. You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. Take me, baby, baby, take me, baby, take me, baby, baby, take me, baby. You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. Take me, baby, baby, take me, baby, take me, baby, baby, take me, baby.
Maybe I need to add these. Do I even have this?
You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. Take me, baby, baby, take me, baby.
There's probably like a much better way of doing this. I just want to see if it works. We could do the other shit later. I just want. Oh man, no. Function statements require a function name. I know. Because we have a function within a function. No, wait. On play. 190. So this goes back to here. Yeah, that's why, because it's in the wrong section. On play. Wait a minute. What's their on play? On play just does all the bar, wave, pause button. All right. Which we kind of did that. All right. It's doing what I want it to do now. On play, request which
You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting
Alright. We're almost there. I don't quit.
for the right time.
Step.
You got me waiting for forever.
So it's currently giving me this. Let me stop this because it's definitely killing my CPU. So I know this works. I wonder if I just take this off. This was the only thing that didn't work. All right. I could quit now. This is dope.
You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting
So I put it on the big version. Let's just see what happens. Oh!
right time. You got me waiting for forever.
I just want to continue now. That was the secret key. And then on seek,
You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever.
all right. So on seek, but still we would need to do like if the person clicked in the seeking section. So on here it would be play button, volume, BART, dragging, That's the waveform. That's still progress. I need the progress. Ah, here we go. What is client X? So this is the hard part. So their player is just basically they're going up to var player, new player. Player prototype. What is the name of this shit? Playlist. I guess this is playlist. Playlist seek. So what is event client X? Let's see what happens. Oh, here we go. Let me write that in event. All right. I might put like loading in there while it's loading. Cause I think there's a loading state. Nope. So first we gotta make sure stuff is even working. The playlist seek is not a function. So seek let's see if this works. I'm at 233 right now. Alright, so it's restarting it. What is client X?
You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever.
Yeah, I must go back to that other place that was like doing a good job. To the window. if that's what I'm thinking, then it should just get the. So that ain't work.
You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. Take me, baby, baby, take me, baby, take me, baby, baby, take me, baby. You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. Take me, baby, baby, take me, baby, take me, baby, baby, take me, baby. You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for
No, but event is somewhere here for a reason.
got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. Take me, baby, baby.
All right. Event get client bound is not a function. Let me see if that works. Can I read property of left? How lazy am I? I don't know. I don't know. All right. I want to see what numbers it give me. See, that's Okay. So we got that. Is grabbing the position, right?
You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. Take me, baby, 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 baby. You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. Take me, baby, 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 baby.
Fuck.
You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. Take me, baby, 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 baby. You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. Take me, baby, 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 baby.
I want to check because that works. I actually want to check with. Yeah, see, it's like returning all this shit. I don't even know what the fuck is returning.
You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. Take me, baby, 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 baby. You got me waiting for the right time. You got
progress is this progress box. So it's 305.
You got me waiting for the right time. You got me.
So what it's doing is getting where you're clicking at. But I want to seek to that position in seconds. So I want to get the seconds of. So what do they do? What did? Let me just put like a random number, like 20. If they don't seek to like 20, then something's wrong. All right. So that's 20 seconds in. So if we're getting the position, the current position is C, which is wherever we are on the page. So let's say we're at 50 divided by, it was like 304 or something. It's at 0.16. Let me see if that works. So because we are getting the seek,
You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. You got me waiting for the right time. You got me waiting for forever. Take me, baby,
30% is done. So
got me waiting, baby, forever. You got me.
So let me see. So I need to show everything. So I need to see the duration. I need to see the C. W, seek position, and duration. I'm gonna put seek position. All right. Duration is not defined. All right, so now I gotta go find our duration somewhere. I'm gonna bring this down here.
You got me waiting for the right time. You got me.
So now I can see everything. I know you're probably tired of these damn songs, but what? Oh, damn it. Duration 0. So I clicked at 201. So there's a math to this. All right, I gotta think. So I click near the end. That's 97% done. So I want to get to 97% of the track. 97% of the track, which would be duration time, which would be duration so that's click position, right? Which would tell me and I can remove this. Seat position would be, so I want to get, so let's say if the duration is 208 and I want to get to 0.97, 208, 201. So is duration times click position, which equals the seat position. Lord, please let this work. Oh, that's it. All right, I can clear out this. That's fixed. All right. What the hell? Oh yeah, I saved it. All right, so all that's done. So I have, what's that? That took 3 hours. I was on a whole extra hour. Oh man. What? I didn't even know Shad was on here talking about one line 139 has an open tag. Yo, you was on whatchamacallit the other day, yesterday, Warzone. I was trying to hop on with you. You still on here. But if you back on, I might hop on Warzone a little bit later. What time is it? It's 7:58. So I'm probably gonna hop on like 30 minutes after I gotta go do some stuff and check out some crap. But yeah, everything's working now. So I just want to do some more cleanup on the desktop version, probably tomorrow or next week. But everything's working. I'm just proud of my work. And I have to test the hell out of this. Whew, there's a little lag on this. And it's probably because I have like all the stuff running. Yeah. Let me refresh again. Whew. Oh man. Yeah, it's like trying to catch up. I'll have my laptop. It's not as high as it usually is. Let me see. Yeah, it's just, I gotta make sure it don't do that. Like, it should be clean. So I might have to do some more cleaning up. So I want it to be able to, like, if I like hit this. See, and then it should just clear this out, which I might have to like, yeah, see, so I might have to unload. See how there's like this, back to work I go. No, I'm about to just, I'm so close. I'm so close. So there might be a chance that I might have to like unload, like on play, and I think there's like, what did they do? I'm pretty sure that the next song, oh, oh, this shit just crashed on me. Oh no. So yeah, so I got some more work to do. Um, so before I even do that, this is how I usually prepare for the next one. I set myself up. So first I have to go to Notion, where all my tasks are at. Because if I don't know, I'm probably gonna come back like, what the fuck was I doing? What was I doing? So, oh man, I am running on fumes right now. All right, so music player is done, or at least that. So we have to fix uh, seek slowness, I guess. We have to fix seek slowness, and then style seek for desktop. And then I have to like, what else I have to do? I have to do the seek slowness, so that's a bug I gotta fix. Style to seek for desktop, because it's probably gonna be like much smaller. I'm not gonna make it that fat. It was mostly fat for like mobile. And then the last one is, what is that last one? It's something about, oh, I want to have it fixed. Um, I'm gonna have that box list item fixed to top on scroll. Ooh, it's gonna be dope. Either that or just yellow, or make play box list yellow. One of those two, you know. Um, oh, oh wait, yeah. So I got this done like what, 2 months late? I mean 2 weeks late. So this one, the slowness thing, I'm gonna hit on December 6th. The style seat, I could do that the same day. All these the same day. This is all same day. All right. Hold on, I'm gonna sort this by. So now that's at the bottom. Oh, all right. All right. That's all I got for you. Um, you know, it was fun for these last 3 hours and 10 minutes. Hopefully, y'all was able to hear or don't see the frames um, dropping. But I mean, I wasn't doing 30 frame a second shit. You know, now I wasn't playing the video game. I was coding, so most likely y'all was catch everything. Um, like it's not a lot of changes, and I hope y'all was able to hear me. If not, I'll probably check this later and be like, oh, I should have turned my levels down or something. I really need to like make my machine faster. There's this app called Workspaces, Workspaces, where you can set up workspaces for different things. Like right now, I'm trying to see if I can get it to cut off apps. Like I'll type in workspace, like streaming code, and then it will open up everything I need for stream for code stuff, and then it will cut off apps. Like, do I need Dropbox running right now? No. Uh, Stuff like that. Like, just make sure everything's cut off, and I'm utilizing the the right amount of CPU. So my lab, and I probably should not be using Chrome because this shit is like destructively large. Like I probably should use Safari, but I like Safari. I like Chrome developing in Chrome better. Like right now, it's this. What is this VT encoder? This thing, I don't know what that is. Yeah. Ooh, they even say it. High CPU. Like, I guess I gotta. I'm just trying to show you how I be doing shit, you know. I don't know what the fuck this is. Oh, here we go. I think this is. Oh, hell, killed the process. I had photos. What the hell? All right. So if I close this out and this just starts, just wish me luck. Oh. Watch, now my CPU load is dropped. Oh, now it's back on. What? It came back. Oh man. What is uh, let me see. I'm showing you on this journey just because you might run across this in the near future. They changed this shit now? Oh, it's now called Apple ID. Oh, they put that shit right here now. I checked the box marked photos. Yeah, I don't even have that. I know I'm like, I know my phone is plugged in. And I don't know what the hell this thing is doing. Like, why is this running? Why is this eating up so much CPU? Who are you? Like, look at that. I'm not even doing nothing. Yeah, I'm not doing all this right now. Hmm. Yeah, cause this like I could like get so much of my space back. Like I don't know what's going on. Oh, don't be looking at my stuff. I know how to hack. So I don't know. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. All right. Oh, and then I forgot the last part of how I was to tell you how I was to do this. So I put all this stuff in here. So, I could just come back to it later. Like, what I was supposed to be doing. Oh, this. And I'll just put all the shit in here. I don't need this. Man, this site was clutch. JavaScript.info, everybody. This site is clutch. Ugh. It helped me like for three things. Look, got that. Got that. That was beautiful. Alright. Alright. And then I need to fix this. This might fix itself. But we'll see. Alright, I'm out of here.